Chief Anthony Aideloje has been installed as the Utebi of Aoma, a position of the most senior chief in Uzeba community, the administrative headquarters of Aideloje clan in Aoma West local government area. The ceremony, which held at his residence and attended by some chiefs across Aideloje and the eldest man in Uzeba, Mr. James Aideloje, was to formally open a palace where he will be presiding over the affairs of Aoma clan and meeting with the chiefs of the sub-clan for the day-to-day activities of the area. Also present are the representatives of Igbo community, Ibura community, Hausa, Uzeba Youth Vanguard, the group of Oluwas in Uzeba, led by Mrs. Aideloje, members of various age groups and family members. The chiefs who attended the Egwa opening described the day as a new dawn for Uzeba community and Aoma in general.
Ma bo dia ebelodare masha you look bokpo da ma o aka we miki my dia oiro firu.
What makes me that please me is that in Uzeba all the stranger community, is it Igbo, is it Yoruba, is it Hausa, is it Ukwale, all of them present themselves here today. They have started giving homage to Utebi of Aoma.
From here to Ugadadoko. Okudomoje, Oleje no Goma, for Yamuma. Yosan Marata, Allah Gere, Allah Kire de Ha, Ima Obama, Ima.
To promise the new brand Ojo, I mean the Utebi of the new Utebi of Aideloje, that with 100%, the Igbo people will carry this community along.
I'm very happy to really welcome all of us here.
The eldest man in Uzeba, Mr. James Aideloje, said, "Truth must prevail in everything," and advised the new Utebi of Aoma to carry everyone along by many fences. For others, including the head of Oluwas, Mrs. Aideloje, and the youths, the installation of Chief Anthony Aideloje, who everyone knows as the most senior chief in Uzeba, has brought light to the community.
Anthony Aideloje, the Utebi of Aoma.
So some of them are now.
My sabomon, my several that women. So I came and say me gongo, Reggie Ebaniana. God for the coronation of Utebi, the coronation of Utebi of Aoma.
The new Utebi of Aoma, Chief Anthony Aideloje, is grateful to God for seeing the day and assured that the process to have a new Okumagbe of Uleha will soon commence.
My people, for giving me this privilege to talk to all of you. I am very happy today. Today is my birthday. Today is my everything in life. Oh, I don't know how to rejoice. I'm happy. Both men and women, children are here with me to celebrate my dedication as the High Chief and the Utebi of Aoma in Uleha, the administrative headquarters of Uleha.
The new Utebi of Aoma, who also celebrated his birthday at the event, was conferred a chieftaincy title in April 17, 1964. Havo joined the Nigerian police in 1960 and was among the first set of indigenous police who took part in the Independence Day parade in 1960. He retired as an inspector of police in 1995. With the installation of Chief Anthony Aideloje as the new Utebi of Aoma, many residents of Uzeba believe that justice has prevailed and light has come to the community. In Uzeba, Victor Odion Acha, NTA News.